I have a question for you. What do you think the resale price will wind up being on the Air Jordan 4 Bread Reimagined? Do you think it's going to be above 300 United States dollars or below 300 USD? Please comment down below. Let me know your guess. And while you're down below in the comments section commenting if you think these are going to go above or below $300, make sure you guys get your giveaway entries in for a free pair of Air Jordan 4 Bread Reimagined. To enter this free sneaker giveaway, all you guys need to do is smash that like button, smash that subscribe button right now. Get me to 71,000 subscribers. Comment down below. Let me know if you think these are going to go above or below $300, and comment your size as well. Then take a picture, take a screenshot, DM me on Instagram, DannyMoore2369. Send me proof that you guys subscribed to my YouTube channel. Send me a DM with proof. That will be your giveaway entry. Good luck on this giveaway. The giveaway winner will be announced here on YouTube the end of this month, before the release date of the Air Jordan 4 Bread Reimagined. And don't worry, I will be giving away a few pairs. More giveaways coming, so make sure you guys get your giveaway entries in. Good luck on a free pair of Air Jordan 4 Bread Reimagined. Every sneakerhead needs a sneaker travel bag. This right here is the best and cheapest sneaker bag on the market. It's made by Crease Guards. This is their premium duffel bag. It holds up to 4 pairs of sneakers in it. Make sure you guys click my link down below in the description, and you're going to receive 40% off, and you also get an extra bag with your order as well. No further purchase necessary. This is free with your purchase, as well as, of course, the warranty. Make sure you guys check out Crease Guards. Link down below in the description. Use my promo code Danny40 for 40% off. So the Air Jordan 4 Bread Reimagined releases officially on February 17th. Retail will be $215. If you guys can get this video up to 200 likes, I'll do an unboxing video this week of the Air Jordan 4 Bread Reimagined. So make sure you guys smash that like button for me. This right here is, of course, the 2019 pair with that new buck upper. They're giving us the same shoe, just with an all-leather upper. I cannot wait for them. I think they're a great pair of Air Jordan 4s. Let me know down below in the comments if you guys are planning on copping a pair. Comment down below a bunch of fire emojis. If you guys are not copying the Air Jordan 4 Bread Reimagined for whatever reason, please comment down below a bunch of trash emojis. I want to see who's going to cop the Air Jordan 4 Bread Reimagined and who's not. Make sure you guys like this video. 200 likes, I'll make that unboxing video happen. Make sure you guys smash that like button. Now, when it comes to pricing of the Air Jordan 4 Bread Reimagined, I have a bunch of DMs. Danny, should I go buy them now? Now? And my answer would be no. Wait it out. I do expect prices to drop a little bit. Right now, depending, you can get them for around $360, $400, around there. I do expect prices to come down to around $300, give or take. Nothing too crazy. They're not going to drop to retail, guys. They're not going under retail. They're not going to sit. They're going to sell out. So I do expect, of course, there to be some resale. Now, let's talk about buy now, buy later, sell them now, sell them later. What should you really do? If you ask me, I will talk about this more in an upcoming video, but I think now's not the time to buy. If you have early pairs, sell them, of course. But I do expect prices to come down, and then they're going up. They're going to go up. Why? Because it is the Air Jordan 4 Bread. It's that simple. The Durabuck version, the 2019 OG version here, this is a $500 plus shoe. The Air Jordan 4 has a lot of hype, a lot of demand to it. The Bread colorway, it's an OG. It's honestly up there. A lot of people's favorite Air Jordan 4 colorway. And for those of you that don't have the 2019 pair, maybe you missed out. Hey, maybe you weren't into sneakers yet. The leather version, the Bread Reimagined, is the next best thing. We are going to see prices at around $300, in my opinion, give or take around that price point. And we're going to see them go up. We're actually going to see them go up, if you ask me. I do expect them to go up a solid $50, $60, and I don't think it's going to take too long either. I don't. I do expect prices to go up to around $350, maybe even back up to $400. So that early price really is not terrible. I do expect them to drop. That's why I'm expecting and telling you guys, hey, don't buy them now unless you're a content creator or you just want to secure your pair early and not have to worry about it. Then go ahead and do you if you don't mind paying the price. But if you're looking for retail or as close to retail as possible, wait it out. Wait it out. Wait for that shock drop, first of all, which we will be getting next week. So make sure you guys stay tuned for the shock drop. Prices will come down to earth when that happens, as well as the main drop. Now, I want you guys to keep this in mind. Stock is going to be high, to say the least. There's a lot of pairs. However, keep this in mind. Demand is going to outweigh the supply big time on the Jordan 4 Bred Reimagined. It's been years, 5 years now since we saw this release. A lot of new sneakerheads since. And just, it's a classic. Anytime they drop the Bred Jordan 4, it's going to sell out and do some numbers. Right? It's one of those shoes that they can drop each and every year, and it'll sell out each and every year, pretty much. Right? The White Cement 4, the Fire Red 4. Keep that in mind. Fire Red 4s. I do expect the Reimagined might do something similar to what the Fire Red 4s did back in 2020. So make sure you guys keep that in mind. Prices are going to come down a good amount, a decent amount, nothing too crazy. They'll come down, and then they're going to go right back up. They're going to go right back up. The hype is there. The demand is there for the Bred Reimagined Air Jordan 4. Everybody wants a pair. It's really that simple. Everybody's going to come out to play and get this shoe. It's going to be possibly sneaker of the year for a lot of people. Me, no. I think it'll make top list, top 10, but it's not going to be the sneaker of the year for me. I already know it. I already think I know what my sneaker of the year. It will be another pair of Jordan 4s. I just don't think it's going to be the Bred Reimagined for me personally. Let me know down below in the comments. Do you think the Bred Reimagined 4 is going to be sneaker of the year? I know it's very early. We're here in January talking about sneaker of the year. Crazy to even think about. But the demand and hype is really there. It truly is. And if you guys compare the 4s to the Reimagined 3s, see what I mean? I think people are just going to come out to play, and they're going to want and buy them up. And you guys need to put in the footwork on this release. Don't sleep. Do not sleep on the release. It's going to be tough. I think it's going to be tough a little bit. If you put in the footwork, you should be able to get a pair. If you sleep in and don't bother putting any footwork, you're not going to get a pair at all. And, well, even if you do try, you might still take an L, because there's going to be a lot of demand for the Jordan 4 Bred Reimagined. I do have a pair on the way. There, I told you guys, finally, yes, pairs on the way. So if you guys want the early video on them this week, make sure you guys smash that like button, get this video up to 200 likes, and let me know down below in the comments, what do you guys think about the Air Jordan 4 Bred Reimagined? How excited are you for this release? I'm very excited. I think it's going to be a very good release, and I will say this shoe right here is going to bring hype back up to sneakers for the time being, because it feels like we haven't had a good release in a while. The last big, good general release that was not too hard to get would probably be the Reimagined 3s from last year, which was what, in like March? It's been almost a year since we've had a really good popular GR that everybody's going to come out to play. So I think the Bred 4s here, they're going to slap. Everybody's going to want them. They're going to come out to play. And yeah, I just cannot wait for this release. February 17th, I'm going to make more videos on them. So make sure you guys subscribe if you guys want more content on the Air Jordan 4 Bred Reimagined. Stay tuned. We will have that shock drop next week, and I cannot wait for it. I'll make another video if you guys want on the Bred Reimagined shock drop. Let me know down below in the comments, and make sure you guys like this video. Make sure you guys get your giveaway entries in on a free pair of Air Jordan 4 Bred Reimagined. All you guys need to do is like this video. Smash that subscribe button. If you guys love sneakers and you're not subscribed, make sure you guys subscribe to my channel. Leave a comment. Let me know what size you are. Take a picture. Take a screenshot. DM me on Instagram, DannyMoore2369. Send me proof that you guys subscribed. Good luck on the Air Jordan 4 Bred Reimagined giveaway. The giveaway winner will be announced here on YouTube the beginning of February before the release. So make sure you guys get your giveaway entries in. Good luck. I'm giving away a few pairs as well. More giveaways coming. And make sure you guys subscribe. I'm also going to give away a pair of military blue Jordan 4s when we get closer to that. So make sure you guys subscribe, all right? Subscribe to the channel. Make sure you guys let me know down below in the comments, what do you guys think about the Bread 4 Reimagined? What do you think that resale price is going to be? Above or below $300? I think it's going to settle right around that $300, to be honest. Let me know what you guys think down below in the comments. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you guys join the More family. Hit that subscribe button. Smash that like button. We're always on the grind. We're never gonna stop. Always dropping that fire. Straight fire. The Air Jordan 4 Bread Reimagined. Coming very soon to the channel. Make sure you guys subscribe. Thanks for watching, guys. We out.